right, we are going to be solving another question on determination of node, branch, and independent loop. And of course, here is the circuit below that we are going to be analyzing. All right, don't forget that we have a well-structured material under this topic, that is circuit analysis and branch, node, and independent loop. So don't forget to reach out if you need the material. Trust me when I say they are well structured, we write the materials by ourselves, and which will be more beneficial to you. You can reach out to us through our through the link in our bio and order for yours. All right, so let's do this. So let's start with branch. All right, when we say branch, what is a branch? A branch is a single element or any two terminal devices, which can be a voltage source, a current source, or a resistor. So if you want to determine the number of branch, just count each element that we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 branches here. So what about the node? All right, a node is a connection point between two or more branches, and I told us we have a short circuit or a single wire connecting two or more branches together. Such wire, such circuit is treated as a single node. All right, if you look at everything that we have here, it's going to be treated as a what? As a single node. All right, so it means here we are going to have another node here, here we have another node here, and here we have another node. So how many nodes do we have? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are having 4 nodes. All right, so if you want to determine the number of independent loop, we are going to be using the formula B is equals to L plus N minus 1. All right, so if we substitute, we are going to have 5 to be equals to L plus what? Plus 4 minus 1. So 5 will be equals to L plus 4 minus 1 is 3. Make L the subject. It's going to be 5 minus 3. So L will be equals to 5 minus 3 is 2. So it shows that the number of independent loop is 2. I hope you understand this. So if today is your first time of coming across our content, know where to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. Always share with your friends who might be in need of this. Stay tuned for more important concepts, and don't forget to reach out for our well structured materials. Thanks.